In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly install Klaviyo in Shopify so you can boost your email marketing and customer analytics in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel. On the home page, use the search bar at the top and type in Klaviyo. Once it appears, click on it to open the app listing in the Shopify App Store. Now, click Add App. If you already have a Klaviyo account, simply log in, hit Turn On, and your Shopify data will automatically sync with Klaviyo, bringing in customer emails, purchase history, and more. If you are new to Klaviyo, just follow the on-screen setup to create an account and connect it to Shopify. It's a simple process, and once integrated, you'll be able to use powerful tools like automated email flows, segmentation, and customer insights to drive more sales. For me, it's clear read by itself Klaviyo on Fair, uninstall Klaviyo on Shopify. Start exploring its features to supercharge your marketing. Thanks for watching, and check out our other Shopify tutorials for more tips.